Yeah, all right. Let us go into tonight's lecture. All right. So the first thing to do is to open your HD2018 software. Then after that, you should have something like this. You should have something like this on your screen. On your screen, you can see that I'm having a program on it running already. So that's the program that I was loading on it earlier. So now the first thing to do is to the first thing to do so I was having this program on my software, so that's why you are seeing it there. So now the first thing to do after logging into your or opening your HD software, the next thing to do is to click on settings. So sorry, file. You click on file, then you go to new screen, then you put in your password, which is 168. Then after doing that you go to your screen settings. You should have this. So for our project, we are working on a 64, that is 2 modules. We are working on a 64 by 16. Then the board we are using is W60. Then we click on W60. So you should have this here. Then after that you click on OK. All right, you click on OK. So you should have this. You should have this. Okay, there's an error there. Just go to click on your screen now, the screen 3 here. Click on the screen and go to screen settings. Go to screen settings, enter 168, then enter 168. You reconfigure this to be 64 and this to be the height to be 16. The height to be 16. Okay, after doing that, you click on OK, and you should have this. You should have this on your screen. Okay, now what is the next thing to do after this? Then you write your program. So you can either include a text, time, hypertext, 3D, animation, Excel, count, and whatever you like on your screen. But now we are going to be adding text. So let's say I want to write. You expand your screen. You just press down. You press down the right key on your mouse. You drag it so as to expand the screen. So let us write welcome to LED training version 3.0 or 4.0. Okay, we have that. So this is the area where you select your effect. You select your effect here, and the movement as well, how your text is going to move on your screen. So now we have a continuous move here. Can you see that there was a change there? There was a change there. And here, this is where you can change your font, the font to be used. This way you can change your font, and as well make your text bold or put it in italics, or you underline it. So we have bold here, we have italics here, we have underline, and some other things there. So now we have the continuous move, and here this block is where you can change the speed. Is where you can change the speed of your text, the running on your screen. So you see, I've changed it to 15. I've changed it to 15 here. All right, you can see the text running now. So let's change the speed. Let's change the speed to, let's say, 30. So you can see that now. So we have changed it to 30. So we have background here as well. We have background here. So if you enable that, you should have something like this on your text. Can you see that now? All right, we have the foreground, if you add that to it, can you see there's another thing there? So let's remove the background. Let's remove background so that the foreground will be visible. Can you see that there? All right, we have the foreground as well. We have the colorful. This effect works better. This effect works better with colored LED. It works better with colored LED module. So we have the border. As well. So let's choose a border. So let's enable it and let's choose a border here. You can see that. So let's choose one that is thicker. All right, can you see that now? So we have our border there. So now let's change our text to something else. Let's say you want to have something like this on our screen. Let's say you want to have my name is Emmanuel. So let's say my name is Emmanuel. All right, can you see we have that as well? On our display. So it is very easy to configure and very easy to program. So the next thing is to introduce us to each and every one of the board and to know which board to buy for your project. All right.